Uber just made a huge update in the app for drivers. You need to know this. Welcome back to the show. My name is Dylan. This is the Rideshare Hub, and in today's video, we're talking about this major new app update that everybody should be aware of. So, before I get started, I want to let you all know about a new way to earn income as an Uber and Lyft driver. It's called Reactivated. This company will send you a free tablet when you use my link, and you can earn up to $100 extra per month while your passengers use the tablet to play games during rides. Check it out, link below, and let's get started. So, Uber is expanding its ride reservation feature at airports ahead of a busy summer travel season. This is expected to be one of the busiest summer travel seasons in quite some time. Now that, things are progressing in America and throughout the world, Uber's preparing for a busy summer travel season. Listen to this, by expanding its ride reservation feature to a total of 55 airports worldwide, including 39 in the US, Uber Reserve is the new update. It allows users to book rides up to 30 days in advance and will automatically adjust reservation times based on flight info to ensure drivers are waiting at the airport when a flight lands. Drivers will wait up to 60 minutes at no additional charge. So if you're an Uber driver, you're waiting for 60 minutes, you ain't getting paid any extra. The feature is currently available for black and black SUV vehicles at airports in, well, I'm not going to read off all these, but 39 airports. The US expansion includes Austin, Texas, California, Indianapolis. This feature will also roll out to airports in Canada, Europe, Middle East, and African cities, etc., etc. First quarter 2022, airport bookings represented 13% of Uber's gross mobility bookings, up to 166% year over year. Andy Janinga, Uber's general manager of airport operations, said in a statement, "As more people take to the skies, we know that airport travel experience can feel stressful and out of your control. At Uber, we're committed to providing easy solutions for our riders to help them get where they need to be as efficiently and as safely as possible." I think we all know what we didn't hear there is that he didn't even address the drivers. Uber Travel will automatically import flight and hotel itineraries to the Uber app from a linked Gmail account to keep everything in one place. Users can get 10% Uber cash back for each ride they reserve through Uber Travel. The company now offers a $9.99 per month membership called Uber One, which provides membership-only pricing of 5% discount on rides, deliveries, and pickup orders, no delivery fees, and access to top-rated drivers. Other features include Uber Comfort Electric, autonomous deliveries, and Uber Eats at stadiums. Wow, so they're actually doing deliveries autonomously. So if you're an Uber Eats driver, it might not be for much longer. So there's the update. Wanted to let you all know about those updates. Let me know your thoughts down below. Check out the links down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.